Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to crop a video in TikTok. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open TikTok on your device. Then click on the little plus button to open your camera. Now you can upload a video from your photo gallery where you can record a new video directly from within the app. I'll simply upload a pre-recorded video, and here is my video right here. In order to crop it or change the aspect ratio of my video, I have to click on this little edit icon, which is at the right side of the screen. This will open our video editor. The next step is to scroll down here until you can see the crop button, so tap on it. This will open our cropping tool with a bunch of different aspect ratios, from which you can choose from. You have a 9:16, a 16:9, a 1:1, and so on. You can also select the free form tool to crop the video as you would like. When you are done with the cropping part, just tap on save right here. That's how you can crop a video in TikTok in just a few seconds. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.